of liter of water we wasted after a water pipeline has been bursted at FC Road, triggering the public outrage over here. Right now, I'm standing just outside the FC Road, and just you can see backside me, there's a temple of Sant Tukaram Maharaj over here. As you have seen, this entire incident has been taken place at yesterday night, and the road was fully filled with the water, as we have seen. Even according to the officials and as well as according to the members of over here, the residents, they were saying that the thousands of liter of water were wasted after a water pipeline that has been bursted near the FC Road. This incident comes out at a time when Pune Municipal Corporation has implemented an alternative water supply schedule due to the declining water levels in the Khadakwasla dam chain. The civic administration has been urging residents to conserve water as the reservoir levels continue to remain low. As we have seen in this backdrop, when Pune Municipal Corporation has started alternative day water supply in the entire city, these type of wastage and backdrop of a significant quality of water following the pipeline bursted has raised concerns among the citizens who question the civic body about the maintenance as well as the monitoring mechanism. As we have seen, the pipeline that has been disrupted over here, this water supply to the parts of Gole Road, Apte Road and nearby areas, because water gushed onto the road, causing waterlogging and temporary traffic disruptions at the FC. Because as we see FC Road right now, this is a one-way road where if we see, if the pipeline was bursted at midnight, the entire road till the morning was fully filled with the water. And as we know ki FC Road is one of the one-way road that also has lots of traffic during the night time, as well as we can see in the evening time. And right now also we have seen it's a fully heavy traffic as well as a fully covering road where many vehicles as well as the transport is still on over here. As we have seen, from when the Pune Municipal Corporation has started the alternative water supply, we have seen entire city is getting alternative supply. Along with that, Pune Municipal Corporation have told the swimming pools as well as the car services, the water services and car washing centers that need to be using less water and need not use to waste the entire water. But in this backdrop, we can see the significant quality of water over here. As you can see, even still, if we take a look over here where the pipeline has been bursted, you can see right over there, even the mud is still wet. You can assume that how much the water intensity was over being seen over here. And if we talk about the road structure over here, as you can see, the road structure has been totally disqualified. As you can see, the stones as well as the entire structure of the road has been totally vanished over here. But and even the mud has been seen to be still been wet. But as we have seen this alternative day of water that has been seen, we have seen many pipelines as well as still many buildings as well as many societies where they are struggling with the water supply. But these pipelines that are bursting on the middle of the road, that also creates a civic issue also. And also, what is the civic authorities are doing regarding this? Because as we have seen, Pune has not till now not even started in the rainy season, but still it is affecting because of water levels chains are very low in Pune right now. But we have to see what further actions and what are the further point of views will the higher authority take as soon, because Pune is still intensifying the summer till mid of the June, as we can see. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.